In this video we will provide essential information for taking a long bike trip. First thing first, make sure you know where are you going. Open Bike Map application and choose your bike route for the day. Make sure you have all the basic bike equipment. The following tools are essential for long trips. Take fruit and chocolate bars for energy boost. Check your bike before going on a longer trip. Adjust your seat height. Test your brakes as well. Squeeze the front brake lever and try to push the bike forward. The rear wheel should lift and the lever shouldn't touch the handlebar. Now repeat this test with the rear brake. The rear wheel should lock and skid as you push the bike forward. Check if your front and rear headlights are working correctly. Check the air in the tires, but make sure to grab that pump for any unwanted events. Make a break every few hours to stay focused and well, so you can maintain concentration. Enjoy your ride.